Imagine a world where machines learn, think, and even create. It's not science fiction. It's happening right now. But what's powering this transformation? From predicting the next big stock to diagnosing diseases before symptoms appear, there's something revolutionary at play. But what is it? Welcome to the world of artificial intelligence, where machines are learning to do what we never thought possible. AI isn't just about robots. It's helping scientists make breakthroughs, artists push creative boundaries, and businesses predict the future. AI is also shaping how we live and work, from autonomous drones delivering packages to streaming services that know what you want to watch before you do. In education, AI is personalizing learning experiences, helping students master subjects at their own pace, and supporting teachers in creating more effective classrooms. It's revolutionizing the way we learn and grow. But with all this power comes responsibility. As we embrace AI, we need to think about the ethical questions it raises and how it will shape our future. Thanks for joining us on this exciting journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more from Wise M. See you next time.